I know, recycling time. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, as you saw, I have some recycling to do, that's for sure. That's an old painting that I did about, I think, almost 10 years ago, if not even more. It's a painting that I was just goofing around. I was just amusing myself with trying to do something abstract, because at that time I never did abstract. I always did landscape or even some figures, but I never did the abstract. So I was just having fun and trying to go about it, but I went at it very wrong, that's for sure. Nothing beats fluid acrylic or dirty pouring, that's for sure. I think we have proved that many times. So anyway, it's only to prove another point that we can recycle. When you do a painting and you don't like it, don't throw it away. You can go over it. That's what we're going to do. I'm not sure what is going to happen, because I did use, imagine, some paint for cars, so some spray paint for cars. So I'm not sure how the acrylic is going to react chemically, but we'll see. There's nothing. Well, at least we're going to try and to do something with it, because if not, it would have gone straight to the trash can, that's for sure. So guys, let's go and try it. So guys, I don't know about you, but I think it's far better looking than it was beforehand. The only problem is my table is not quite to level. So the acrylic have a tendency to go one way more than the other. So, but listen, it doesn't look bad. I did have, as you saw, I did have a lot of acrylic left. So I did a smaller canvas, and it's like we didn't use the same painting, but I did. And it's incredible how great looking it is. So I'm kind of glad about it. It's very nice. I think we could not achieve a better result, and it's much more better looking than it was, like I said, that's for sure. So I burned it. We did a lot more cells, but still the tendency is to make some fluid line. I don't know why. Maybe because there was too much paint involved, or maybe even too much silicone. I don't know, but still it's very nice. I think this one I'm gonna keep it. I won't go over with some acrylics, that's for sure. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope, like always, you're gonna try it, and just to prove you that if you do a painting and you don't like it, don't worry about it. Go over it, and that's it. That's recycling. So guys, on that note, thanks for coming. And please come back, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys.